Well, there we go. Another one of Mahir Origami's planes. The reason I'm doing these is because he just does the build. He doesn't show them flying. So I'm making sure they fly. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.